Good night, little snowflake. Hopefully, tomorrow morning, you'll have brothers and sisters on the lawn everywhere. And if there isn't, well, we'll cover that when it gets there, huh? Well, good night. I might as well hit the hay myself. Maybe it'll snow tomorrow. Did it snow? Oh, I can't look. It'll ruin the surprise. Maybe if I close my eyes and then walk to the window, the surprise won't be ruined. Oh! Okay. I'm gonna open my eyes now. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. Ah! Why didn't it snow? Why didn't it snow? It was gonna snow. I knew it was gonna snow. You were gonna bring the snow. You knew it all along, didn't you? You knew it was gonna snow. You didn't even tell me. Why didn't you tell me? You know what? I could... No. You don't deserve that. Something far more sinister. This is gonna be your sibling. But now guess what? You're gonna get to watch it crumble. Fine. Don't react. See if I care. I don't care. I don't care about you at all. Just sit on that window. I don't care. Fine.